Hi, I'm here in Bahrain in front of one of the Rodwell beam pumps that's pumping oil from below the ground to the surface. As the traveling valve moves down, it opens, collects some fluid. At the bottom it closes and moves up again, and thereby pumping the fluid. All the possible damage mechanisms on such a pump can be diagnosed from the shape of the diagram that you get when you graph the displacement of the plunger from the top to the bottom on the horizontal axis and the amount of load on the plunger as it goes on the vertical axis. Then you end up with what's called a dynamometer card diagram, and based on the shape of that diagram you can say, is the pump behaving as it should normally, which looks like a rectangle, or is it behaving not normally, which is some form of a dented rectangle, and you can diagnose what's wrong with the pump and how soon that will lead to a problem. So far that is being done by human experts, but like here in this field, having 750 pumps producing in total over 70,000 of these diagrams every day, that's a lot of effort on people. We can automate this process using a machine learning algorithm that lets us diagnose these problems automatically and immediately send a message to a maintenance team to go take care of it. So that's our project in Bahrain. Thank you.